Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a system restore shortcut on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to right click in a blank area of our desktop and then select New Shortcut. So go ahead and select Shortcut. I'm going to have text in the description of the video. It's going to start with $windir and it's going to end with protection.exe. Copy that whole text line and then paste it into this location field. Select Next, and then you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it System Restore. And then I'm going to select Finish. And there you go, guys. We have a System Restore shortcut on our desktop. We can move it anywhere on our computer that we want, but at least we got a shortcut created. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.